Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for joining us.
Today, we have a fun and warm topic.
That's right. Today we are talking about my favorite childhood memory.
A childhood memory is something you remember from when you were a child.
Some memories are funny,
Some memories are happy.
and some memories stay in our hearts forever.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
It helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English around the world.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Talking about childhood memories. Speaker 2, do you have a favorite childhood memory?
Oh, yes, I do.
Really? What is it?
My favorite childhood memory is playing outside with my friends every summer.
That sounds fun.
It was very fun.
What did you do?
We rode our bicycles, played games, and ran around the neighborhood.
Did you play every day?
Almost every day.
Wow,
Back then, we didn't have smartphones,
that's true.
so we spent most of our time outside.
I think many people can relate to that.
Yes, life felt simple.
Simple and happy.
Exactly.
Let's learn some useful words.
Great idea.
The first word is memory.
Memory is something you remember from the past.
For example,
My favorite childhood memory is playing with my cousins.
let's say it together.
My favorite childhood memory is playing with my cousins.
Very good.
The next word is childhood.
Childhood means the time when you were a child.
Let's repeat. Childhood.
Again,
Childhood.
excellent.
Now tell us about your favorite childhood memory.
I have many happy memories,
Me too.
but one memory is very special.
What is it?
When I was about 10 years old, my family went to the beach.
That sounds exciting.
It was.
What happened?
It was a sunny day.
Nice.
My parents packed food and drinks.
A family picnic.
Exactly.
What did you do at the beach?
I built a sandcastle.
A big sandcastle?
Very big.
Really?
Well, maybe it looked big because I was a child.
Childhood memories can make things seem bigger.
That's true.
Did you swim?
Yes, I did.
Were you a good swimmer?
Not really.
Oh no.
I was more interested in playing in the sand.
That sounds fun.
At sunset, we sat together and watched the ocean.
That sounds beautiful.
It was peaceful.
And that's why you remember it?
Yes, we were together as a family.
Sometimes the people are more important than the place.
I completely agree.
Now it's your turn, listeners.
Think about your childhood.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
Take a few seconds to think.
Maybe it was a birthday party?
Maybe it was a family trip.
Maybe it was playing with friends.
Or maybe it was a special holiday.
Can you answer this question? What is your favorite childhood memory?
Try saying your answer out loud.
Speaking out loud helps improve your English.
Did you ever do something funny as a child?
Oh, yes.
Tell us. One day, I wanted to fly.
Wait, fly?
Yes,
Like a bird?
exactly.
This sounds dangerous.
I tied a towel around my neck.
Like a superhero.
That's what I thought.
What happened?
I jumped from a small chair.
And?
I did not fly.
What a surprise.
I learned that towels are not wings.
Very important life lesson.
Very important.
Many children have funny things.
That's true.
Children have wonderful imaginations.
Yes, they do. Why childhood memories matter?
Why do you think childhood memories are important?
Because they remind us of happy times.
I agree.
They also remind us of people we love.
Family members,
Friends,
teachers.
neighbors,
Sometimes a simple memory can make us smile.
even after many years.
That's the magic of memories.
Beautifully said.
Key phrases practice.
Let's practice some useful English phrases.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
My favorite childhood memory is.
Again, My favorite childhood memory is
Very good.
when I was a child.
Again.
When I was a child.
Excellent.
I remember playing with my friends.
Again.
I remember playing with my friends.
Great job. Childhood then and now.
Do you think childhood is different today?
Yes, I think so.
How?
Many children spend more time on computers and phones.
That's true.
When I was young, I played outside more often.
Me too.
But every generation has special memories.
That's a good point.
The important thing is making happy memories.
No matter the time.
Today, we talked about favorite childhood memories.
We learned useful vocabulary.
We practiced English speaking.
And we shared happy stories.
Before we go, remember this phrase.
My favorite childhood memory is.
One more time.
My favorite childhood memory is.
Excellent work.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this English conversation practice.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
And keep believing in yourself.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.